Got a 2004 Honda Accord right here. I'm gonna show you really quick how to replace your cabin air filter. So you can see I already have the glove box pulled down. Reason is I wanted to show you with one hand. You see this tab right here, and you got another tab right here. What you do is you squeeze this and this at the same time, and the whole glove box will come down. Now you have your cabin air filter right here. You have a clip that you gotta squeeze that and squeeze that with two hands, and it'll pull right out. That's your cabin air filter. What you do is you pull this out and then you put the new one in, slide it back in there, make sure it's locked in place. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you got any questions, comment below, guys. Please click on the subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching.